Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our on Bitcoin market so you can see our plan is working. So on the weekly chart, market almost has completed the target that we have specified. We talked about the bread and buy trade here. It's actually 45 as a target, now it stands around 44.75, so it's completed. So in general it seems that Bitcoin is living with its own life, so ignoring some fundamental background, all the stuff that stands around the statistics, dollar liquidity, and in general United States dollar space. So it's just is driving right now by its own tactical factors, which means the capital are distributing out from the trust of the Glassnode into the Grayscale into the ETFs, and that is the major topic on the markets right now, which is actually driving right now all this stuff. So on the weekly chart, currently we can't say something new. It's just because no additional patterns have been formed. Market stands with this ABCD, OP consolidation mostly is done, and currently the major question stands around this top. So if market will break it up, we could count on further upward continuation, because here you have to consider the larger scale. We have here as downside ABCD from an all-time high, right? And if market will take it out, this actually BCD will be raised. So it means there will be breaking of some fundamental ABCD pattern, bearish ABCD pattern, and that might become the starting point of something greater and further upward action. Another pattern that we still could consider, let's take a look here. It might be, well, not maybe precisely the head and shoulders, but something similar. So you could see that here it might be something like this pattern, right? So it's kind of the shoulder, heads, or some traders call it as a cup in the handle. So here a handle might be formed, some retracement back to the 35 area, it's confidence support, if market will not be able to break it up immediately right there, and only after that retracement, the action might be reestablished. So this is actually two basic scenarios for now. Bitcoin for now on the longer term charts. On the shorter term, on the daily chart, our plan has worked nice. You can see breakout has happened, market is coming to minimum target of the bread and butter 45. This probably should be reached within a few sessions, and then we will see what will happen, because potentially here exists the chance for downside pattern, as you can see, and that's particularly will become some clue to what to expect on longer term performance, where the market will start direct upward continuation and forming that it's just upward continuation, it's major upside trend and erasing of the bearish long-term patterns that we have just discussed, or we still will get this handle on the cup of this performance to the downside, forming of the hand short or something that sort. It's mostly going to depend what we have in this space, whether our market will be able to break it up or not. That's what we intend to keep an eye on. Meantime, to complete this trade that we have right now, let's take a look on the fall time frame chart. This is our hand shoulders, right? So supposedly its target stands around 47.22. This is two different targets. First, we have minimum target of the bread and butter 45, but bread and butter doesn't mean that market has to stop here and turn down. This is just minimum target that market usually completes on upward action, but it doesn't mean that it definitely should stop here and reversed. It's just minimum destination. So that's why this target doesn't contradict the idea of the bread and butter, and actually market following these hand shoulders could keep going to the 47, which is actually target of the hand shoulders. On the lower time frame, here as you could see, the butterfly that we discussed, 127 has been completed, 1618 stand precisely the bread and butter target, 45. So we could suggest that around 45 we could get some pullback before upward action will happen, because here we have butterfly, and this is butterfly sell, suggesting the pullback at least to the 30% support. This will be somewhere around 44, And this is also, don't forget that this is also daily resistance. That's why the 30% minor pullback here is very probable. So that's what we have currently on Bitcoin. Context remained bullish. 47 target will be the next one if market will break the 45. But before we turn our attention to the new target around 47, we should be ready for possible tactical retracement down from the 45 area once it will be completed. That in 2 words, what we see right now on the Bitcoin market.